Choosing the right crypto exchange is crucial for your security and success in the crypto world. In this guide, we'll explore the top factors to consider, ensuring your assets are safe and you're not overpaying in fees. While exchanges may seem secure, the only way to guarantee the safety of your crypto is through self-custody. Despite any partnerships, our analysis is unbiased and aims to highlight the strengths and considerations of each platform across solvency, security, coin support, fees, and unique features. Remember, this list isn't exhaustive. Always do your research, before diving in. Let's get started. Before we dive into the content, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Now first, Crypto Exchange is Coinbase. Co-founded by Brian Armstrong in 2012, is a leading name in the crypto exchange industry. Transitioning to a remote-first operation in 2021, Coinbase is recognized as the largest U.S. exchange by trading volume and stands out for its listing on the New York Stock Exchange. Operating in over 100 countries, Coinbase made its way into Canada recently, despite stringent regulations that led Binance to exit the Canadian market. Despite the challenges of the crypto downturn, leading to a workforce reduction of over 40%, Coinbase remains robust, with over 3,400 employees and ongoing recruitment. Security is a prime focus for Coinbase, with 98% of assets stored in cold wallets and the rest insured. Following a breach in March 2021, affecting 6,000 accounts, Coinbase took swift action to enhance security measures and compensated affected customers, showcasing its commitment to security. Coinbase supports a range of cryptocurrencies, with estimates varying from 150 to over 10,000. The platform is cautious about listing to avoid SEC complications, but includes major cryptocurrencies and recently relisted XRP. Transaction options are limited to USD, GBP, and EUR, with a variety of deposit and withdrawal methods. Trading fees on Coinbase follow a maker-taker model, with rates depending on the user's trading volume over the past 30 days. For beginners, Coinbase offers a user-friendly interface, while those seeking more advanced options can explore Coinbase Advanced Trade, which provides a suite of trading tools and features. Despite its somewhat limited digital asset selection, Coinbase's security measures, regulatory compliance, and reputation make it a top choice, particularly for US customers. Next up, OKX. Founded as OKX in China in 2017 by Star Su, OKX has transformed from a traditional exchange to a platform offering decentralized services like DeFi, NFTs, and metaverse projects. Unlike competitors like Coinbase and Kraken, OKX expanded its workforce during the 2022 market downturn, showing resilience and growth. Headquartered in the Seychelles and operating in multiple jurisdictions, OKX faces restrictions in the USA and some European countries. Despite celebrity endorsements, OKX prioritizes security measures, including proof of reserves showing assets consistently exceed liabilities. However, transparency around the company's full financial state is limited, mirroring challenges in the crypto industry. Operational security is stringent, with 95% of assets stored offline and rigorous access controls to cold storage. OKX supports over 350 digital currencies and accepts a wider array of fiat currencies compared to Coinbase. Trading fees are competitive, especially for OKB token holders or VIP users, based on trading activity. A special offer for Coin Bureau users includes a 40% trading fee discount and up to $220,000 in deposit bonuses. Targeting seasoned traders, OKX offers a complex user interface with an extensive range of trading options. While daunting for beginners, it makes OKX a compelling choice for experienced traders seeking diversity and advanced features. However, the lack of transparency regarding deposit and withdrawal fees and potential complexities for newcomers are points of consideration. For a deeper dive into OKX, comprehensive reviews are available. Bybit. Founded in 2018 by Ben Zhou, Bybit has rapidly grown to over 15 million users within a year, claiming to be the world's third most visited crypto exchange. The platform expanded its presence in the EU, with licensing in Cyprus, and established headquarters in Dubai for potential further expansion. Notably, Bybit is unavailable in several countries, including the US, UK, China, Singapore, Canada, and those under US sanctions. Bybit adheres to solvency standards, guaranteeing one-to-one backing of customer assets with robust operational security measures, including AAA rating, penetration tests, bug bounty program, and ISO/IEC 27001 certification. It lacks third-party audits, but stores 100% of traders' assets in multi-signature cold wallets. Supporting over 270 assets in the spot market and 200-plus contracts in derivatives, Bybit accepts deposits in 15 fiat currencies with transparent and minimal fees. The tiered trading fee structure starts at 0.1% for spot trading, decreasing at higher tiers. A Coin Bureau promotion offers 0% maker fees for the first 30 days and over $40,000 in bonuses. Known for high transaction speeds, especially in derivatives trading, Bybit handles 135,000 transactions per second. While its advanced features may challenge beginners, its intuitive interface, trading knowledge resources, and high trading volume position Bybit as a strong contender in the crypto exchange market, despite focusing more on derivatives and supporting fewer cryptocurrencies than some competitors. Next up we have Kraken, founded in 2011. As an alternative to Mt. Gox, Kraken has become a prominent player in the crypto exchange space. Despite changes in leadership, including Jesse Powell stepping down as CEO, the platform continues to evolve while maintaining a remote-first policy. Kraken is accessible in most countries, but restricted in New York and Washington state due to regulatory reasons. Emphasizing commitment to regulation and licensing globally, Kraken conducts proof of reserves audits since 2014, showcasing transparency and financial health. Security measures include ISO/IEC 27001 certification, SOC 2 compliance, and proactive efforts in Web3 security through its Security Labs division, resulting in a hack-free history. Supporting over 200 coins and tokens, Kraken offers a wide range of fiat currencies and payment methods. Competitive fee structures incentivize higher trading volumes, appealing to both novice and experienced traders. Kraken Pro caters to advanced users with features like margin and futures trading, positioning the exchange as versatile for various trading activities and user expertise levels. In summary, Kraken stands out as a reliable and secure exchange, suitable for beginners with its user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and reasonable fees. While it may not have the widest range of cryptocurrencies and has some limitations in fiat support and fees, its established standing in the crypto exchange landscape makes it a solid choice for users prioritizing security and reliability. Now let's turn to Kucoin. Launched in 2017 by Johnny Liu, Kucoin has rapidly become a significant player in the cryptocurrency exchange landscape, ranking as the 5th spot exchange globally. With over 30 million traders across 200 countries, it claims 1 in 4 crypto holders worldwide use its platform. However, regulatory constraints limit its reach in key markets like Canada, Japan, South Korea, and the United States. Kucoin sets a commendable standard for transparency and solvency assurance, actively engaging third-party institutions for on-chain reserves verification. Despite security improvements since a 2020 hack, detailed disclosures about asset storage and private key management are lacking. The exchange's A security rating, though good, trails behind AAA-rated competitors like Coinbase, Kraken, and Bybit. Offering over 700 coins and tokens, supporting 28 fiat currencies, and a variety of payment options, Kucoin is highly accessible. Its competitive fee structure includes a tiered maker-taker model, favorable for KCS token holders. Kucoin caters to diverse trading needs with options like spot, margin, and futures trading, along with advanced trading features. However, beginners might find the interface challenging and educational resources lacking. We turn to Swissborg. Swissborg, established in early 2018 in Lausanne, Switzerland, stands out as a mobile-first crypto investment platform, offering services beyond traditional exchange functions. With over 700,000 users and 200 staff in 50-plus countries, it's licensed in Switzerland, France, and Estonia, but not available in the US. Under CEO Cyrus Fazel, Swissborg emphasizes transparency through initiatives like In Swissborg We Trust, showcasing proof of reserves and a protocol for user liabilities. Security measures include multi-party computation, MPC technology, and segregating customer deposits from company accounts. Supporting 71 cryptocurrencies and major currencies, Swissborg offers a user-friendly mobile platform with no deposit fees for cryptocurrencies, but charges a 0.1% withdrawal execution fee. Trading fees vary based on premium tiers linked to locking up the native token, CHSB. Swissborg Thematics provides thematic investment bundles with automatic rebalancing, catering to beginners with a user-friendly platform, regulatory compliance, and support for multiple blockchains and tokens. However, users should consider higher trading fees, limited cryptocurrency options, and a lack of educational content. And that concludes my top exchange picks for 2024. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, no matter how secure you think an exchange is, it's important to practice self-custody. So keep your coins and tokens preferably in a hardware wallet, as I've reiterated countless times, not your keys, not your crypto. We would also strongly recommend that you delve deeper into each of these exchanges on your own, and don't forget about all the additional resources that we've linked to in the description, but I would love to hear your feedback as well. Have you used any of these exchanges? Are there any other exchanges that you want us to cover? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, then smash up that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.